In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change access level of your design in Canva. If you've ever shared a design and someone couldn't open it, or you needed to make it available more widely, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to control who can view your work. Start by opening the specific project you want to share. Once your design is on screen, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see the Share button there. Click it to open the sharing panel, which is where all the link and permission settings live for your design. Inside this panel, look for the section labeled Access Level. This is the control that determines who can open your design when they receive the link. You'll see two main choices. The first is only people added can access. Choose this if you want to keep things private and ensure that only collaborators you've explicitly invited to the project can open it. This is a great option for sensitive work, drafts, or anything you're not ready to share widely. The second option is anyone with the link. Pick this when you want to make it easy for people to view your design without adding them one by one. This is handy for broader sharing, quick reviews, or when you need to send a link to a larger group where you may not know everyone's account details. Keep in mind that anyone who gets the link can open it, so use this option thoughtfully. After you select the access level that fits your situation, give the panel a moment to update. Now, copy the link again. This is important because copying the link after changing the access level ensures the link you share reflects your latest permission choice. Use the Copy Link button and then paste it wherever you plan to share: email, chat, or your team's workspace. If you chose only people added can access, make sure the recipients are already on the project. Otherwise, they may see a prompt to request access. If you chose anyone with the link, recipients should be able to open it right away. If someone reports that they still can't view the design, double-check that you selected the correct access level and that you shared the most recent link you copied after making the change. You can always return to the Share button and switch between options at any time. And that's it. Open your project, click Share, choose your preferred access level, and copy the link again to send. With these steps, you'll control who can see your design with confidence.